back to a new video. Welcome to my life, which is really messy. As you can see, I am prepping. Oh, out of focus again. Hey Burley, come here. We're also watching our friend's dog, Burley. Hi, and Hudson is downstairs. Hi cutie, come sit down next to me. Aww. There he is. Anyway, it is going to be Coachella weekend and I am prepping some looks. I ordered a bunch of stuff online. I don't know, I never really like shopping in LA. All the stores are so spread out and it just takes forever. I'm gonna be honest, like it is not easy to pick Coachella looks. I really love fashion and obviously I worked in fashion for so long, and it's almost like when you get dressed as a model for years, you don't really think about like how to dress yourself, if that makes sense, because it's always like been done for you. But yeah, I'm trying to do my best, especially after the pandemic. I feel like I've been so like comfortable, so I'm kind of excited to dress up a little bit, play with like hair and makeup and do all of that, because I'm normally so like au naturel. I know, it's kind of fun to like play dress up. I'm gonna be in a house with literally all my girlfriends here in LA, like Helen, Sammy, Alyssa, Whitney, and it's gonna be so much fun. But yeah, so we have 3 days of festival, then we have some like after parties and day parties and brunches and stuff like that. That one is for Neon Carnival, by the way. My first step was just like try everything on, and then now I'm just gonna write down like which looks I kind of need. It's just gonna release so much stress on like the festival itself, because I don't really need to think about my look. I just put it on and then that's it. I bring a couple extras. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And then later in this video, Kelly is gonna come over and we are going to make some healthy recipes, which I'm going to share with you. I'm telling you, this like carrot cake bread loaf thing is amazing. It's the bomb. Let's tackle this. Let's do it. Here I put all my boots, literally all black. I don't know, how many boots can a person have? I do not have a look yet with these, even though I really love them. It's from a very small brand in Thailand. Oh my god, do I have my shirt the wrong way? Yeah, I do. This is a bag. Oh my god. I feel they're kind of like two vibes to go for. The first one is very bohemian festival type of look, the real like Coachella vibe. Or there's more of like the cool girl, like hot girl summer type of vibe, neon colors and stuff like that. So kind of two complete different styles. And I don't really know yet like what I'm going to do. Like maybe one day more like hot girl style, or maybe like another day more like the bohemian festival look. I'm leaning a little bit more towards the kind of like cool girl look, because I don't know, spice it up a little. Also, this is really zoomed in. Here, I can show you. I found this like other brand from London. Okay, this is not a good like example how it hangs here, but the front ties like that, and then this one too like this. I actually think this is really cute, just to see how to style it. I also really like this. This is a hat from Lack of Colors and it's really pretty. Anyway, I'm definitely not done yet. I'm just going to organize a little bit more, pack everything up, and then Kelly's gonna come. How are your Coachella looks coming along?
I got one. My dress. My kafka.
Your dress. I am gonna go to a nail appointment right now. I'm gonna show you the two I was debating. I just found these on Pinterest. Okay, so I want to do this in neon yellow or this with glitter. I think it's also cute. I think I'm gonna go for this. A little more special. Because my nails literally look absolutely terrible. I feel embarrassed, like when I show up with these nails somewhere, not great. So yeah, that's what I am going to do now. There's like a spa around here called Happy Nails and I just love it. They always do such a good job. They're super quick. So there we go. I just came back from my nail appointment and I really love them. Look how cute. Oh my god, Hudson liked them too. I know, you want to get out. No, stop it. So I got a lot of questions when I did my nails natural, like what I asked for to make them a little longer. I absolutely hate acrylic. Don't do acrylic, it will destroy your nails, or it does mine. I also do love gel, but can't really do the extensions and stuff on there. So I do a thing called dip. So they basically do like a dip powder and it hardens and it's much harder than gel. It protects your nail way better, it comes off easier, it lasts also much longer than gel. So I absolutely love it. If you want to do your nails and you want to get that kind of really beautiful long natural look, then ask for dip. I don't know what the science behind it is, but I think it works much better. Okay, I am pretty much like kind of packed, but I still need to look for a couple more kind of final touches. And I actually just got a box in with some Amazon stuff, and I kind of want to show you this because I literally got the cutest stuff from Amazon, and I'm going to link everything down below. First up is this like 2-pack of sunglasses. This is in black and this is just like in brown. I don't know, they're like really cute. The reason why I ordered these sunglasses is because I'm for sure going to lose them, and I already know it. On a festival, like, you stand up, you dance, go around, blah blah blah, maybe have too many drinks. Most likely I'm going to lose this, so I was like, I better not lose my Celine or Saint Laurent. Here, this is the black one, super cute. And then also my Ray-Bans are my absolutely favorite sunglasses, but again, I've been losing them so many times, so I also got these on Amazon and they are literally identical. I normally don't really love to buy like fake, you know, rip-off stuff, but I mean, for a one-time Coachella thing, actually I hope they're gonna last. I hope I can take them more often, but this is perfect. And then also I think this year I'm gonna go a little bit more simple with like the looks, like clothing wise, and then a little bit more extra with like hair and makeup. So I got these super cute little stones to kind of get a little bit more like that Euphoria vibe, to get like glitters and things everywhere. So cute, no? It's green. So yeah, I actually do need a little bit of advice on like one outfit. I wear these like cargo pants. I'm kind of debating between like the top. I wanted to do a little try on. Okay guys, this is the pants I wanted to wear, I think on day 3, because it's like a little bit more like chill and like warmer or whatever. And then I thought maybe to do a little bit more of a cuter top with it. This one is from For Love and Lemons. Just by itself, this corset I feel is kind of like very girly, but it does have these really cute accents. But like with the pants, it kind of makes it like a little bit more cool. I kind of like it. What do we think? Okay, so this is another one, actually also from For Love and Lemons. It's very glittery. I don't know if I really like this. I'm not like 100% loving it. Okay, I also need to do a little self-tan because I'm so pale. Especially next to all the other California girls. But yeah, I don't know, I'm not really feeling this. Next, this one is number 3. I also think this is For Love and Lemons. Yeah, I do love kind of, it has this like underbra and then this one on top of it with these like cargo pants. Pretty cool. I don't know, I'm debating either the first one or this one or the other. I'm going to pack a little bit more, but I wanted to hop into one of my favorite new recipes because I got a little bored of a banana bread, and I am making carrot cake bread with Kelly together. So yeah, Go watch it. We have a very special guest because I have Kelly here. Today we wanted to make a healthy carrot cake loaf or carrot bread.
Carrot cake bread. I don't like the word loaf.
I know, I don't like the loaf either. So I got most of the ingredients here. We'll start with chopping up some pecan nuts and then we're gonna grate some of the carrots. And then also we're gonna film today a bit of Swedish dessert.
The recipe is Swedish, it's my mom's recipe.
Ooh.
It's a caramel with toasted hazelnuts and it's my favorite. It's super good.
We already toasted some hazelnuts to prep and it smells really good. So if you wanna go check that out, find that on Kelly's channel. You know where I actually had a really good carrot cake loaf at Creation? You remember we met up one day and it was like unbelievably sweet and there was no sugar in there. There was no maple, no coconut.
I think they
were lying.
Because later they came out with one that did have sugar in it, but I think it was the same one. They changed the ingredients.
I think you walked in and you were like checking with them. We were like, does this have sugar in there? And
I'm always so skeptical.
Yeah. I mean, obviously, carrot has a lot of natural sweetness, especially for like a veggie, so it's amazing to like bake with because you don't need like as much sugar. Yeah, it's perfect for like an afternoon or... I don't love like big breakfast anymore, but I love like, let's say matcha or like a coffee with just like a piece of banana bread.
That's
or
exactly
toast
what
or
I
something.
do.
Yeah.
Do you still drink coffee or mostly matcha?
Mostly matcha.
Yeah. I used to drink 2-3 coffees a day and now I drink your matcha most days, and having coffee is like a once a week, twice a week thing.
I feel the same thing. You need about like 2/3 cup of carrots, so honestly I feel with one big carrot you're pretty good.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna start with the wet ingredients first. Honestly, we didn't write down the recipe, so we're just gonna like
throw things in.
throw things in a little bit. Here we go. We're gonna add coconut sugar. So in the original recipe it said 1/2 cup, but I think that's actually quite a lot. So we're just gonna use 1/3 today. So for the base, we obviously wanted to do it gluten-free. So we used almond flour and coconut flour. Don't worry, we will pop up the recipe down below. So you can... Normally when I make this kind of stuff, it's gone in like 2 days max.
I know, that's why I can't bake too often, because I eat it all. I ate it all in like a day and a half, 2 days.
Quick.
I made the blondies the other day, the ones that we made for a bunch of friends, and then they were coming over again the following day, and they were expecting to get more, and they were all gone. I'd eaten them all in one day.
Finished. We're going to add some spices like nutmeg, cloves,
cinnamon,
a lot of cinnamon, and vanilla extract to kind of give it some extra flavor. A little bit of maple syrup, pinch of salt, and mix it. I think that looks pretty good.
Okay, it smells so good.
This smells really, really amazing.
Oh wow, it smells like Christmas.
Cool down for a little bit, and I think we should just cut it and do a little taste test. We made a little cashew cream, and we have a little friend down here. He smells it. Hi. Yeah, you are waiting for your snack. Let's cut this off.
Oh, it looks great.
Ooh, this looks really, really delicious. I first want to try a little piece with I love that it's not too sweet.
Oh, that's really good.
It's not a carrot cake at all. It is a carrot bread. This is really, really delicious.
Yeah, this is so good.
We will put the recipe in the description down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to check out Kelly's channel where we're sharing one of her favorite dessert recipes. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.